Hi, it's Edward Atkins from Edward Atkins Productions, your go-to for anything financial, sports, family, and travel related. If you love money, athletics, relationships, and taking trips, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell. Let's get into it. All right, you ask and I deliver. Here's how you get started on your investments when it comes to Charles Schwab. Go to www.schwab.com. Click on Open an Account. It's located in the orange. Click on Open an Individual Account if you're opening this account alone and with no one else. You will need the following: a social security number or a tax identification number. You will need your employer's name and mailing address if applicable. You will need an email address and a mobile phone number. The screen is kind of blurry, but simply press Get Started. Complete the requested information. First name, middle name, optional. Last name, suffix, optional also. Is your current home address in the United States, Puerto Rico, or the U.S. Virgin Islands? Date of birth, social security number, email, mobile phone number. Then you would enter an access code that was emailed to you or text to your phone number, whichever you entered and whichever you received. The login credentials, login ID, password and whatnot. Your address. Why are you opening this account? Are you an owner or anything when it comes to these stocks? My answer is no for me. Margins are just borrowing money. If you want to borrow money, say yes. I always recommend saying no because I made that mistake before. Options is a far more advanced game, but if you're into that and you've done your research, click yes. Thinkorswim is something just to help you begin and learn how to do investments, and I do recommend that if you have not did so yet, but you don't have to pick yes on this. Just press no and create your account and go from there on Thinkorswim. Review everything and continue if everything looks correct. You should see this screen. It's just letting you know that they're reviewing your application. Hey, congratulations, we in there. Now, just go ahead and add money. I recommend using the online transfer because it's extremely quicker than the other options. I appreciate you watching. Let's get to this money.